Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Typeform for surveys and forms easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Typeform website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Follow the prompts to create a new account using your email address or social media login. Once signed in, click on the Create a Typeform button on your dashboard. You will see a variety of templates and options. Select Start from Scratch if you want to build your form from the ground up. First, choose a title for your form. Click on the text box that says Untitled Form and enter your desired title. Next, add a welcome screen to introduce your survey. Click Welcome Screen on the left sidebar and customize the text. You can also upload an image or video to make it more engaging. Now it's time to add questions to your form. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. You will see a list of question types, such as multiple choice, short text, or ratings. Select the question type that fits your needs. Type your question into the provided text box. For multiple choice questions, enter the options below the question. To add more questions, repeat the process by clicking the plus icon again. Once you have added all your questions, review them for clarity and flow. Next, customize the design of your Typeform. Click on the Design tab to choose colors, fonts, and layouts that match your brand. After finalizing the design, it's important to set up your Typeform's logic. Click on the Logic tab to create rules based on responses. You can direct respondents to different questions based on their answers. Once everything is set, preview your Typeform by clicking on the Preview button. This allows you to see how your survey will appear to respondents. Make any final adjustments if needed after the preview. When you are satisfied with your form, click on the Share button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.